see ya and you're barefoot on the lawn. How can we get along? We can't. I tried to learn suburban things, but pumping gas is not for me. Spin around in circles till we think we're gonna die. I swear I'm an okay guy. I think you can lead a horse to water, but you cannot make it sink. City kids don't walk on grass, oh no. Jumping turnstiles, hailing taxis with intent. Do you need directions? I bet. It's not where you're from, but it's where I'm at. City kids don't walk on grass, oh no.
That's what I get.
You're good?
Yeah.
I got that too.
Oh, I'm so bummed.
Next time.
Man.
Very great.
Yeah.